Most automation agencies build great automations, but their clients never see them. Or worse, clients break things because they're inside N10, Make, or Zapier. These tools are for builders, not for clients. And you know the drill. You build a workflow, the client want a UI, want access to it from somewhere. Now you're writing custom code, fighting Ajax, debugging file uploads, trying to connect to WhatsApp, returning responses, fixing cores, a lot of mess. And none of this work you actually want to do. So I built the missing piece, WP AI connector. You just paste the webhook into WordPress, I just connect the WordPress to the workflow. You build your form in minutes, hit publish, and suddenly your automation is a client-facing tool. You can create dashboards, control room, onboarding tools, lead qualifiers, anything, one shortcode per agent. Put even 5 tools on the same page if you want. Your client fills the form, upload files, press run, and the result come back instantly on the same page. Your backend stays private, the workflow stays safe, your product looks like custom software. So join the revolution. Go to wpaiconnector.com. Right now the plugin is in testing. November 25, the price is low. Simple. You have 2 plans, with or without updates. An early customer enjoy a really good price. If you build automation for clients, even for yourself, this plugin pays for itself on day one. Try it, turn your workflow into real product. We want you to try it. We want you to enjoy the future updates because we have many things planned, many features that come in that we're already working on. Import, export of agent and forms, advanced analytics, form converter. There's plenty of things that we're working on. And enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. WP AI Connector.